Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about how to write, compile, and execute Java program. See here, as a first step, we need to write a Java program by using any editor. So here, the editor can be anything. See, you can use Notepad or Edit+. So as a beginner, it's better to use these two tools. Okay, don't directly execute programs on Eclipse or any online editor, any online Java compiler. Okay, so as a beginner, you can use either Notepad or Edit+. Notepad is by default editor, which you no need to install explicitly. But Edit+, you need to install explicitly. So either you can take Notepad or Edit+. Any editor you can take to write Java program. Okay, and you should save your Java program with .java extension. Okay, .java extension. File name can be anything. File name can be anything. Okay, yeah. Now take Notepad. Okay, here. Uh, Here I'm going to increase font size. Yeah, public class sample. So here my class name is sample, and here every program execution starts from main method in Java. Public static void main. So this is the syntax for the main method. See, string args is a parameter. It is required for main method. So here the string args parameter is used to handle the command line arguments. So we can discuss this command line arguments in separate video. Yeah, now I want to display something on the console. See, in C, we are using printf statement to print something on the console, right, as a output. And in Python also, we are using print statement to display something on the console, right, as a output. So here we should use system.out.println to print something on the console. Here, hello, welcome to Anand Kumar Programming World. So this is the what message I want to display on the console. I want to display on the console. Let me increase the font size. Okay, so this is what sample Java program. Okay, sample Java program. Here my class name is sample. Okay, my class name is sample, and this is the main method. This is the syntax for main method: public static void main. Okay, string args and system.out.println. So this is what the printing statement used to print something on the console. Okay, now please save this program with .java extension. See here, sample.java. So here, whatever the class name you have taken, main class name is what? Here, sample. So please save this. Okay, file, save as. Okay, so here in Java programs, sample.java. Okay, here .java extension is mandatory. See, save type as, change it to all files. Don't take text files. Okay, see sample.java and save. Yes. Okay, now go to this location and check. See, its type is what? Java. Now, whatever the code you have written like this is called source code. This source code, as a human being, you can understand. We can understand this source code. Okay, high level programming language instructions are called source code. This source code, as a human, you can understand. Okay, So whatever the source code you have written, this source code I want to execute in my system. But source code you can't execute directly. Okay. And whatever the source code you have written, that should be syntactically correct. Okay. So who will check this program syntactically correct or not? Java compiler. Compiler is going to check your program line by line, and it is going to convert your program into byte code. Whatever the source code you have written, that source code is converted into the byte code by the Java compiler if your program is syntactically correct. Otherwise, it is going to show whatever the syntactical errors in your program. Okay. So how to what see compile your Java program? See, open command prompt. Okay, command prompt and type Java C sample.java. So this is the command you have to what type in the command prompt, and you should go to this location. Okay, you should go to this location and you should type the what so Java C sample.java. Then Java compiler comes into the picture and it is going to check your Java program whether it is syntactically correct or not. If everything is correct syntactically, then it converts into the byte code. Okay, so this byte code you no need to generate this byte code. Java compiler will take care of generating of this byte code, and this byte code extension is dart class. Okay, dart class. Here source code extension is sample.java. Okay, now this byte code is understood by the Java virtual machine. Okay, so here bytecode is bytecode is highly set of highly optimized set of instructions. Bytecode is nothing but highly optimized set of instructions. These bytecode instructions are understood by only JVM. Okay, bytecode is JVM understandable code. Okay, bytecode is nothing but JVM understandable code. Only JVM can understand this bytecode. Okay, bytecode. And here JVM can't execute this bytecode. Okay, can't execute this bytecode directly. This bytecode is converted into machine level instructions. Okay, this bytecode is executed by JVM, but it can't execute directly bytecode. It convert this bytecode into machine level instructions. Okay, machine level instructions. So now how JVM comes into the picture? Okay, so in order to call this JVM, you should type Java sample. Java sample means the class name. Okay, the class name. Then JVM will comes into picture. Now it will take this sample dot class as input and convert whatever the bytecode instructions you have in sample dot class into machine level instructions and execute the program and generate the output. Okay, generate the output. Okay, now I will show you what I will show you practically. So this is the file location. Okay, now here go to this location, simply type cmd here. Okay, go to this path. See here, go to this path here, simply cmd. See, now command prompt open here. So please observe here. Here you have only sample sample.java file. There is no sample.class file. Now I'm going to generate this sample.class file. Okay, 1 second. Okay, now Java C sample.java. Please observe carefully here. Okay, please observe carefully here. See, I'm going to click on enter. See here, sample.class file is generated. Why? Because here, whatever the program you have written, everything is syntactically correct. So that's why it's generated what dot class file. For suppose for the timing, Okay, remove this open trace, save this, and try to compile your Java program. See here, expected semicolon. Okay, see here, error, class interface or enum expected, this one. Like this, it is showing, right? So here you forget to give open curly brace here. And now what I'm doing is I'm going to compile Java program once again. So let me remove this dart class file. Okay, let me remove this dart class file. Yeah. Now sample.java. Java C sample.java. Please observe carefully once again here. Here. See again what dart class file is generated. Now your program is syntactically correct. Okay. Now here you are okay in this stage. Now bytecode is generated by the Java compiler, and this bytecode only understood by the JVM. If you want, you can open this bytecode. See, uh, just open root plus. See, this is the bytecode. So you cannot understand this bytecode. Okay, you cannot understand this bytecode. Only understood by the JVM. Now, how to invoke JVM? Now you should invoke the JVM. See, Java sample. Okay, this bytecode should be converted into the machine level language, and that should be executed by what Java virtual machine. So how to invoke this JVM? See, Java sample. See, enter. What happened? Could not find or load main class sample. So this is because of multiple versions in your program. Okay, so let me check the class name also. Yeah, sample. Okay, so in this case, what you need to do is simply Java hyphen cp dot sample. So like this, you need to execute a Java program. Okay, see, Java hyphen cp means class path. Okay, class path. Which class path? This sample class path I'm taking from my current directory. What is the current directory? Data. So here, if you don't have multiple versions of Java, then you no need to type this Java hyphen cp dot sample. Simply Java sample is enough. Okay, but if you have multiple versions in your Java program, sorry, in your system, then what you should use this command to execute your Java program. Simply Java hyphen cp dot sample. Okay. So explicitly you need to mention the class path in this case. Otherwise, you will get error like this. Error could not find or load main class sample. Okay. So either way you can use. If you have only one version, then it is enough. But you have multiple versions, then you should use this. Okay, Java hyphen cp dot sample. Okay. So this is the way. Okay, you should write, compile, and execute your Java program. Okay. So thanks everyone. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more.